guys, hey, welcome back. I am, as you see, doing another open cup, although a bit to the extreme this time. And I am going to be doing the Gryffindor. So I have black, spiced berry. I have what I thought was a scarlet, but it turns out a lot more red. It says lipstick red, which sounds just about right. So I added a little bit of black to that to darken it up a bit. I have some gold and I have some yellow ochre. So, and then I'm using white as the base. And I'm gonna try and see if I can't do this one try. Think I can do it? Let's hope so. Alright. So the colors for Gryffindor are scarlet and gold. For those who don't know. So I'm going to be doing scarlet and gold with accent colors of black, and of course there's two different types of scarlet. Ooh, there we go. There goes the first one. I have to make some more black. Let's see. Got some nice effects going on over here with some gold peeking through. Looks really nice. I do like that. Let's see if we can get this big one to puddle up. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is like perfect. Come on, big one. See that? Do a zoom in whenever it's finished, of course. Let's let it take its course. And then, for once, I actually got some freaking push pins, as everyone seems to suggest online. Oh, that's beautiful. I'm really excited about this one, guys. I was afraid I was going to ruin it by doing so many cups. But oh my goodness. Looks awesome. This one over here needs more gold. base instead of the white help it along. It's okay. Corners are always difficult for me to get. Luckily, I don't think I'm alone. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Do too many spears, but I'm a little impatient. First cup off. Yeah, I really don't like that I started off with the white base. Second one. Big one. It is beautiful though. Like the gold, oh my goodness. I can drag this. Some of this white. Just don't like all the white. I should have had a black base. Or even this nice spiced berry color. This would be good. Alright, that is the last cup. It is beautiful. I'm trying to decide if it screams Gryffindor. I feel like we should have had a bit more of this, like, yellow. Just because, you know, in the show, it wasn't really gold. Their outfits weren't, they didn't have gold in it. Before I stretch this out, I'm just gonna do a little bit of this everywhere. Being brave, guys. It's been pretty rewarding so far. So, I'm just gonna keep going. Being brave. I feel like, yeah. I used all of the yellow, and there's not really any on the canvas. So, we're gonna add some. It's like quad pretty pour open cup with puddle pour accents. You know, your world, you do what you want, right? Mr. Bob Ross. Okay. Didn't want to disturb any of those beautiful cells that I got going on, but I did want some more of that yellow. So let's move that around. Really like this cell formation down here, so move that. Stretch it out as much as I can. All right. Gotta get those sides nice and finished. Don't want any corners. Alright guys, so that is the Gryffindor one done so far. I should probably torch it. 1 minute, let me go wash my hands. Let's torch it, guys. Look at that happy little accident. I'll have to zoom in though whenever it's nice and dry, because it looks like there's like a little lightning bolt like right here. So perfect, oh my goodness. Happy little accidents, guys. You couldn't be more right. Alright. Well, I actually really like this one. It looks like I think I prefer the open cup because it seems like you have a little bit more control. 4 cups may have been a little much, but I also didn't have to go over it 2 other times like I did the other one. But, yeah, there we are. There's Gryffindor, guys. There's like a blob of paint right there. There's Gryffindor. be Ravenclaw. So stay tuned for that, and once I have the 4 of them, I will start the finished products with the print on the top or whatever I choose to do. And I hope you guys have enjoyed this little series so far. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have any other suggestions that I can do. And I will see you guys here in a little bit. Bye! Hey guys, we're back for the close-up on this one. This one has some really large cells. I don't know if you can tell, but this is actually gold. Get a shine. No. This is gold, even though it doesn't pick it up well on the camera. And this is the little lightning bolt accident. And this one is just, I think, my favorite so far. For sure. It's beautiful. This is the Gryffindor one, and stay tuned to see the painting that I'm going to have on top. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit that like button for me, subscribe for more, and leave any comment suggestions or questions below in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video.